Multiplication of two-digit number. So in the concept of the base method, let us see the base method 2. 100 as the base here. So if when you're doing the calculations very close to the 100, to do the two-digit multiplication faster, just I'll show some simple technique. When two numbers are just more than 100, for example, if you want to multiply 108 multiply with 109, instead of doing very lengthy, just you can use this concept. So these both numbers are more than 100 and very close to the 100. So this is the first number is 8 more to the 100, second one is 9 more. Because of more word, no, I am using the plus symbol. This is plus 8 to the 100, this plus 9 to the 100. Then next step is you can do the cross like 108 plus 9 or 109 plus 8. You get the same. 108 plus 9, 117 is the first step. 108 plus 9, 117. Next, you can either 109 plus 8 also same 117 only. Then you can multiply this both. 8 times 9, so 72. Yeah, so right side set is two-digit number, so you can stop. This only the answer. No need of taking anything. So 11,772, right? And one more way, for example, even you can take very some bigger number than 100 also. 112 multiply with 109. If you want to multiply this, first step you write this is 112 is 12 more to the 100 and this is 9 more to the 100. Then next step you can do addition like this, 109 plus 12 or 112 plus 9, you'll get the same. 109 plus 12, so 121. You write this. Next you can multiply this both. 12 times 9, 12 9s are 108. But here is 3-digit number it is. 2-digit means okay, stop as it is. Because of 3-digit number, this hundreds place should add to the previous one. So this 08 write as it is. 1 should add to this 121. This number 1 hundreds place must add to this 121. So this is 122. So answer is 12,208. Okay, even by observing, just by noticing, by practicing, you can get easily. Now, if you want to multiply 104, multiply with 102, just you can guess directly. This is the plus 4, right? Okay, that means if you indirectly add this 102 plus 4 is 106. This is plus 2. You multiply this. 4 into 2 is 8. But it must be 2-digit place should get. 3-digit means 100 you can add to the previous. If you get single digit, you can write as 08. Therefore, answer is 10,608. Yes, 10,608 is multiplication of this 104 and 102. So when both numbers are base 100 concept and just more than 100, you can use this method.